Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Combine softened cream cheese, shredded cheddar, minced garlic, and chopped scallions in a bowl with about 1/2 cup beer. Beat until smooth and folded, then add a splash of Worcestershire and black pepper to taste. If you want more tang, add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Stir in toasted breadcrumbs or bacon if desired, then transfer to a serving dish. Chill for at least 30 minutes to firm and serve with chips or pretzels. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and get more tasty recipes. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle kept me hydrated through a long dip tasting and made cleanup breaks easier. It seals well, fits cup holders, and comes in fun colors, so it's handy in the kitchen. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Adjust the beer strength to control bitterness. Lager gives mild flavor while IPA adds hop notes and spice. For a lighter dip, use reduced-fat cream cheese and Greek yogurt to thin and add protein. Add extras like chopped jalapenos, crispy bacon, or smoked paprika for smoky depth. To make a head, refrigerate up to 3 days and stir before serving. Bring to room temperature briefly if too firm for easy scooping.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.